The 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on-off. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, air conditioning. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.